She hit send from a hostile rooftop, and by morning, 3 contracts were in her inbox. I'm Marcus Chen. Welcome to the AI and Future of Work podcast, episode 52. In the next minutes, you'll learn a compact demo pipeline that can make that happen for you.
No way! 3 contracts from one change? Tell me the little practical thing she did. I need something that doesn't turn into a maintenance nightmare.
She stopped sending generic demos and started sending 1-minute hyper-personalized walkthroughs that referenced a single public detail about the prospect, showed one tailored feature, and closed with a tight CTA. Short, personal, repeatable. The backend automated most of it. Templates, TTS, headless capture, quick edit, and she only stepped in for the high-value leads.
I like that. Quick sanity check. What's the absolute minimal stack to validate this without blowing a week of setup?
Minimal and reliable. Start with GPT for prompt generation and personalization, and pick a TTS you trust. 11 Labs or Play.ht are battle-tested.
Right. Quality there matters.
Then use Playwright or Puppeteer for headless capture, Descript or VEED for quick edits, Airtable or Notion as the input store, Zapier or Make to orchestrate, and Cloudflare Pages to host a tiny interactive demo page. Data flows, prospect fields into templates, templates into voice plus guided capture, capture into a trimmed clip, clip into a hosted page with CTA hotspots and an auto-schedule trigger.
Totally doable on cheap plans, which is key. Test first, then scale.
Okay, now the exact prompts. Use these for Baitum to save hours. System prompt for GPT. You are a concise demo writer for B2B SaaS sellers. Produce a 70 to 90 second personalized walkthrough script that opens with the prospect name, references one public detail about the company, highlights one problem we solve, demonstrates one tailored feature, and ends with a clear CTA to schedule a 15-minute call. Keep language friendly, confident, and under 160 words. Paste that into the system slot.
Wait, important pause here. When you say reference one public detail, we need clear guardrails. I don't want people scraping private data and implying access to someone's accounts.
100% agree. Limit personalization to public or consented information. A LinkedIn post, a public blog, or something the prospect wrote in their inquiry. Add this line to your template when relevant. I saw your post about X. Great point. Only if it's public. For deals over your threshold, cue a human review before sending.
Good. Now the TTS prompt. Keep it natural, not robotic. Give me the quick example.
Read the following script as a friendly product expert. 70 to 90 seconds. Slightly upbeat, clear pacing. Pronounce prospect names accurately and pause after the company name. That produces a credible host voice on 11 Labs or Play.ht without sounding like an announcement.
Nice. Friendly product expert is my new favorite role.
Here's the CTA line to finish each demo. If this sounds useful, book a 15-minute walkthrough. I'll tailor the setup to your current tools and send a migration checklist you can use immediately. Short, specific, low friction.
Nice and tidy. Walk me through the weekend build in plain steps. Not a manifesto, just what I click and when.
10-step sprint, condensed. 1. Map input fields in Airtable or Notion. 2. Create a script template with placeholders. 3. Add the system and personalization prompts. 4. Pick and test a TTS voice. 5. Build a Playwright script that loads your app with placeholder data and records a guided tour. 6. Upload raw capture to Descript or VEED for a one-click trim plus filler removal. 7. Export a 60 to 90 second MP4. 8. Deploy a tiny page with the video and clickable hotspots. 9. Set a zap, form submission, run prompts, generate voice, trigger capture, upload, email link. 10. Test with sandbox rows and check logs.
Sounds thorough, but automation errors happen. Give me the top 3 things that go wrong and the quick fixes.
Top 3 and fixes. 1. Over-personalization using private data. Fix. Restrict fields and add human review for deals over $5K. 2. poor audio or video quality. Fix. Choose a reliable TTS, keep videos 60 to 90 seconds, and run a Descript quality pass. 3. Automation sending to wrong recipients. Fix. Validation checks in Zapier or Make, sandbox logs. Those 3 stop most disasters.
Let's talk money. How should nomads price this so it both scales and qualifies as visa-friendly income?
3 viable models. A one-off demo fee, $75 to $250, demo plus retainer, demo converts to $1,000 to $3,000 per month, and a demo funnel, where the demo is a lead magnet, then paid onboarding. Sample math, convert 10% of 100 demos at a $1,500 retainer, and you've got solid recurring revenue that counts for visa requirements. Price to the value of the deal, not just the minutes you saved.
I'm not sure I buy that scaling to enterprise. Can a 1-minute demo really move bigger deals?
Short answer, yes, but you add a human follow-up. For deals greater than 10K, treat the demo as the warm opener and cue a 15-minute human walkthrough within 24 hours. In our tests, that combo bumped conversion from about 10% to roughly 25% when the human followed up quickly with a tailored proposal. Automation gets the conversation started. Humans close the complex deals.
Good. That balance of AI plus a human check is exactly the human plus AI advantage I like to preach.
All right, quick practical sprint you can do in 20 minutes to prove the idea. Create an Airtable with columns prospect name, company, public detail, email, demo link. Paste the system prompt into ChatGPT and generate one personalized script. Use Play.h or 11 Labs to produce voice, then screen record a 60-second guided tour on your phone or browser. Upload to VEED, trim, and email the link to yourself. If a real prospect replies, you validated the format.
I love the low-tech validation before automating. Start small, prove it moves, then add the wiring.
If you want the full step-by-step with templates, playwright scripts, Zapier recipes, and live troubleshooting, my course walks you through everything. Templates, code snippets, and weekly Q&A, so you don't stall. Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary. Enroll at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses. That's your AI blueprint for today.
Let's make this actually work for you. Run the 20-minute test, add ethical checks, then automate the reliable parts. Keep personalization public, and add human review for big deals.
Thanks for listening. Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary. Ready to implement this at a higher level? Enroll in our high-income remote skills courses at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses. See you tomorrow. New episode weekdays.